How to request a refund for a Steam game. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can process or send or request a refund onto the specific game that you purchase on Steam. It's very easy. So first is of course make sure that you open up Steam client on your PC and then make sure that you're logged in. Now you're going to need to access purchase history so that you can look for that game. By doing that, go into the Steam icon at the upper left and then choose on settings. From settings, go into account and then choose account details. Now this is where all the process should be done. Now choose on view purchase history and then all the purchases that you made from Steam, especially for games, will show up here. Just simply choose on that specific game and then choose the option that says I want to process a refund. Follow on-screen prompts and then provide necessary requirements so that they will cater your inquiry. And that is how you request a refund for a Steam game.